Hello folks, we're following up here from example number 1. So last time we found that the solution, the general solution to this differential equation was y equals tangent x plus x squared plus 5x plus c. And I just wanted to give you a further outline of what this really means here. In this chapter you're going to see a bunch of graphs that are going to have lots of different fields. So for example, like you're going to see these waves, and these are what are called slope fields, and this is, we're going to describe, I'm just going to describe really quickly where they come from here. And it has to do with this plus c constant function here. So what I've done is, if we remember, this here was the differential equation, okay? So this is the graph of the slope. That's the important thing. This means the slope here, right? So what would that graph look like? Well, we already know that it has an answer, right? And the answer is this. So what I did was I put it in my calculator. You can see here, right? And when I go to graph this out now, we end up with some function that looks like that. And you say, okay, so that's one graph, so why should I care? Well, if you noticed on the function here, it was plus 1. So that's one value of c. But what happens then if I were to do a few of these here and change the value of c just a few times? I'm just going to do that very quickly. I'm just pasting the previous function, I'm changing it here to a few different values. So now what I've done is I had here the function tan x plus x squared plus 5x plus 1. That's the c. Here c is plus 3, and here c is minus 2. So I'm just graphing these three here. I'm going to hit graph, and what happens now is there's my other one, and these other graphs start to pop up here, and there's another one there. And so these are just three particular solutions. And you can see the general one, what the fields are going to look like. So when you're looking in this packet here, and you start to see all of these different fields and waves here, like such, what these are representing, these are the graphed out differential equation solutions. So these are all the general solutions here. The particular solutions is represented by just one of these over here, which we will talk about in the future. I just wanted to give kind of an outline.